Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukon rat ke sangma haga khat nyo trik no pra ula pli paidbah ya ka city beautification drive ha Mawlai Mawroh ha ka jingadan lang u chief secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmad but u director katanat penrai sor but CEO ka Shlom Municipal Board u PK Boro. Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukon rat ke sangma haba ajingkran ha ka ni ka jingalang ula ong baka ni ka jingpan itanat ya kasor ni ka city beautification drive kade ka jing persyang jo sorkar ling ba katanat urban affairs bat ki municipality ban pelong ki sor bat ki nong ba jo ka jila ki ba khoj ba suba ki ba bit ba biang bat ki ba itanan haba penkan mau ya ka jingalang jo ka sorkar bat ki nongalam ka sorkar bat ki rang ba shnong bat badan benta barot kila pun pau ya ka jingdan kamban bu iki kor CCTV halaki jong kishnong bat ki kenton kum ka jing butien ya kata ka jingalang ula pun pau ya ka jing sungok men ban pente pakidan arpasan tali kishnong ladap pendat ya ki kor CCTV bat ki basa kilong sa arpau tali ki jaka ki ba on pendap no shen ula pente bru baka jing bu ya ki CCTV bat ki street light kidai ki kam ki bayai beteng bat ki jaka padangsa anle ha ka benta ka baar ha ka ni kasngi Myntri Rangbah konrad ke sangma ula samru ek beautification grants shakishnong bat ula pleru ya ka jingbu CCTV na ka benta ka Mawlai Mawroh hadian pan ula let jungo ru ya ka shnong Mawlai Nyoringham.
As you remember, the last meeting we had discussed about the CCTVs. So I just want to update, apart from today's inauguration of the CCTV here in Mawroh, there are another 25 locations roughly which are complete and another 20 locations which will be completed very soon. So we are a bit late. We had promised November, but I hope by January we should be able to complete and then take up the second phase for the CCTVs because it's a continuing process. And of course the painting, the My City, Paint My City campaign, we have transferred the funds and of course we'll be handing over the kind of a ceremonial check to all of you. And of course, as you know, it's only one part of the entire process of beautification. There is much more to it. And the idea, as I said, is really in two very simple things. First thing, of course, is that until and unless the society and the government and the people work together, so the community is working together with us, we will not be able to achieve the kind of reformation and the change that we would like to see. So we are very, very clear on that. Number two is that there is nothing called, small or big development work. We've always believed that even the smallest change that we make can have a very big difference in the overall process and the development that we are targeting. And so even painting a wall, even painting the sidewalks, painting the electricity poles, removing the wires of, and maybe creating underground wiring systems and ducts. Small things like these can make a huge difference in how our city looks.
So here we are in Mawroh, Mawlai area, and this is part of Paint My City campaign, where we are encouraging localities to come together and ensure that boundary walls, homes, sidewalks in different areas are painted so that all our cities and towns look beautiful and clean. And this can only happen with the participation of the communities and the people. So I'm here along with our headman, our Rangbah Secretary of Mawroh, to start this process here, and I encourage all the localities to do the same in different parts of the state. Thank you so much. What do you do with all this extra? You can come this side of the camera. No, just one more.
Same this way.
No, Mawroh. Sim. So you have to give to Rangbah also kind of make only CM and secretary. That's the old man. imagine every single.
Okay.
Okay? Where is this?
Right.
Here we go. I'll have a. Here?
Yeah.
Black. Here. Here we go.
Nice.
Thank you so much. Great. I'm really looking forward to this whole thing being done. It looks so beautiful when it's done. Really looking forward. How long will you take to do this?
It depends when we're gonna assemble the team and kick off.
2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month?
Yeah, 1 month.
1 month's time.
Because